Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. I've got a Bedford steering wheel here from Bedford Lorry or truck. Now this is actually from a QL Bedford, which was made in the mid 1940s, around the time of the Second World War. But this style of wheel was used from 1937 or so on WS models, and then onto QLs and O series generally. Bedfords, many Bedfords had them, and some of them, especially around the wartime period, were green because they were used by the army as military trucks. We've recast this, we stripped it down to the frame and have completely recast it from our own moulds. We often get these in and they're quite bad. The plastic's decaying quite badly, and sometimes the frames are even broken around the centre here. So we've had them in with just the centre hole, and we've had to fabricate new legs and a new ring before we recast it. But there we go, that's the finished item.